How y'all doing? This is the Black Rosebud
and Habibi
Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. And we're going to get right into it. This game show is based on crowd participation, so we're going to ask the little young lady her name.
What is your name? This is one of our judges for the night.
She our judge for the night.
And we're going to ask her beautiful self what's her beautiful name.
Jazzy P.
Jazzy P. Y'all heard that? We're going to ask Jazzy P some true or false questions, and we're going to see if y'all can guess if she's going to say true or false.
But before we get into that, we're going to introduce to you our contestants. We have 3 contestants for the game show, and contestant number 1.
My name is Tax Free.
Contestant number 2.
My name is Wub Savell.
And contestant number 3.
Tax Free and Wub. I sound like a lawyer. My name's Robert Kyle Weissman.
I know he's lawyer because I use him and I fired him.
Okay, we're going to go right into the questions. True or false? Does Miss Jazzy P has a son that ever been in prison? Do she got a son that's ever been in prison?
True.
True or false?
True. Every mama got one kid that's been in jail.
Every black mama got one kid that's been in jail?
I must say black, yeah.
What do you say?
Only one?
Oh. Wow.
Is that a rounding down?
Rounding down.
I was gonna say she looks like she's smart, and that every child she might have would avoid the pin.
So you say false.
But I saw the way that she laughed. I saw the way that she laughed, and she showed me her cards on the table. I'm saying true.
True, true, true. All of them say that you have a son that has been to prison. Is that true or is that false?
True.
Oh!
I guess you can just read the book by its cover.
According to Miss Jazzy P, is this true or false? Most black women don't work out because they don't want to mess up their hair. According to Miss Jazzy P, is this statement true or false?
False. Now I don't want to work out because they're just lazy.
Ooh, you just said black women are lazy? Wow.
Yeah, black when I go with that.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'm gonna say true.
You gonna say true?
Yeah.
Black women don't want to mess up their hair?
Yeah. I mean, they barely want to sleep in their hair, let alone exercise in it.
You ever wet a black girl hair?
The most dangerous thing I ever did was come in a black woman's hair. I almost died.
I heard that. According to Ms. Jazzy P, black women don't work out because they don't want to mess up their hair. Is that a true or a false statement according to Ms. Jazzy P?
Well, Jazzy P's got her hair that's pretty tight. It seems like it's wound pretty tight down. I'll say false.
False?
I'll go against. I'm gonna put.
Well, why do you think black women don't work out? Don't
put words in my mouth. I'm trying to win a game. So at one point I've got to go away from the crowd to be able to get maybe one right answer in this, and that's the one that I choose.
So you say false?
Just fine, yeah. But you know the reasons. These are reasons why. These are strategic reasons.
We're going to go with Miss Jazzy P. Habibi. What did she say? Why do most black women don't work out?
The answer is false. It's not because of their hair. It's because they're plain lazy.
Ooh! So she said false. You said false?
Yeah. Exactly what
Okay.
she said.
You win, dude.
So the last time I tried to put my fingers through the black woman's hair, my fingers got stuck. and it was crooked like this for 3 weeks. And I know she did not work out because the weave, it just was not nice.
Okay, we're going to move on to the next question. According to Miss P, Jazzy P, that is, who pays more, cougars or big women? According to Miss Jazzy P, who pays more, cougars or big women?
That's a good question. But I'm gonna say.
That's a hard one, ain't it? Ooh, that's a hard one.
It's back and forth, but I'm gonna say a cougar, man.
A cougar?
A cougar.
Cougar, you get benefits too. They get half price, they own bills. And
A cougar today, boy, I heard something I ain't believe.
the only thing about cougars, you gotta have sex with them before they high blood pressure medicine kick in, you know. They might fall asleep on you, you know. You gotta wake a cougar up. Wake up, Miss Daniels. Who pays more?
I think a cougar pays more because she's got her own money plus the money from her first marriage.
That's a good one. That's a good answer. So cougars got that alimony money.
Are any of these questions not designed to get me in trouble? To answer this one, I'm going to have to go with love. I think that, the Cougars got more to spend, and I think she might be proud to spend it in a way. I mean, she earned that money on her back or
what about
otherwise.
big women? Big women can't get too many men, so big women, they say, gotta pay like she weigh. You know, big women gotta pay a lot.
But does a big woman have the money that a cougar has?
Something to think about. According to Miss Jazzy P.
What is the answer?
I would say a cougar pay more.
Why a cougar pays more? Ask Miss Jazzy P why a cougar pays more, but then we're gonna wrap it up.
Because we save our money.
Smart. Cougars are more smart. We're gonna wrap it up. We're
They get what they want.
gonna come back and we're gonna get into round 2 with the contestants when we come back.
Action.
Hey, what's up with y'all? Back to the Black and
Habibi.
Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. We finna get into round 2. We finna ask these 3 contestants 3 questions, and Miss Jazzy P finna say which one of them got it right. We gotta judge Miss Jazzy P. Say hi to Miss Jazzy P once more.
Hello.
Okay, since we got some white dudes on the panel, I want to ask a question right quick. What do white women do that black women don't? Pay for the first date, introduce you to their parents, or swallow? What do white women do that black women don't?
Swallow. Don't swallow, bro. If they taste it, they gonna get mad.
I think it depends who they're doing it with, you know?
What do you mean?
Like, the white woman she's not going to introduce black man to her parents. But she'll introduce white man to her parents. She won't swallow white dudes, but will swallow black dudes. You know, so it's like...
Okay, what about paying for the first date? Because black women do not pay for the first date, the second date, the last date, or nothing.
Yeah.
What do you say about the date? Don't forget about that. White women pay on the first date. They pay for the first date, second date, they pay all the time.
Yeah, that's because, when they're going out with you.
We're going to move on. So you say, which one you say?
I'm going to say paying.
Pay on the first day?
Yeah.
Okay, we got pay on the first day. What do you say, Ron?
Why do you always have to make me follow up? Well, number one, why do you think I'm a white guy? Don't you guys admire my nice tan that I have right now? Is it for nothing? Is this for nothing?
You a white guy because you don't get pulled over by the police on Crenshaw rolling down the street. That's what makes you a white man.
No, you're right. That's just because I take off my hat.
Okay.
Okay. Would you say the first date? Is this all the first date?
Yeah.
First date?
What white women do that black women don't?
On the first date.
Pay,
Oh, pay on the first date.
introduce you to their parents, or swallow.
To say, if any girl's introducing your parents on the first date, run! Race does not matter. The only race you need to do is race away. let's be honest on that one. These are my parents, our first date. No.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
You know, a lot of black women don't know their parents anyway, so that's kind of like a trick question right there.
Okay.
A lot of black fathers ain't in the home.
Well, okay, that narrows it down. Oh, God. I would say, we'll just go.
Swallow.
I'll throw it there. No. White women swallow.
Well, white women.
I'll put that on record. White women swallow. We'll go. Hey, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get in trouble no matter which way I go. Pay, since you said.
Pay on the first day. We're gonna ask Miss Jazzy P what white women do that black women don't. Pay on the first date, we introduce you to their parents, or swallow.
My answer would be swallow.
Okay, we finna go on to the flip side of that, right? What do white men do that black men don't? Leave tips, take care of other people's kids, or be alone in a room with a Catholic priest. What would a white dude do that a black man just won't do?
Wow. What's the options again, man?
Leave a tip,
Leave a tip.
take care of another man's kid, or be in a room alone with a Catholic priest. What a white man do that a black man won't?
A black man will leave a tip, it won't be much. It won't be like the proper tip. It'll be a tip.
I'm leaving advice. I ain't leaving tips. I'm leaving advice.
I would say, he won't go with that. What'd you say, a Catholic?
Catholic priest. He won't be in a room.
Catholic priest.
A black man won't be in a room.
A room.
A room alone with a Catholic priest.
Nah.
They just came.
What did you say?
Yeah, you're kind of right though. It's a myth that black dudes don't tip, because I've been down at that King Henry VIII strip club. Black dudes throwing all kinds of money over there. He's tipping bitches left and right. So that's just a lie. I just want to get that out right now.
Got you. So, what do you say?
So what do they don't do? They don't what was it? Don't tip.
Don't tip. Take care of the people's kids.
Yeah.
Or
Oh, they definitely take care of other people's kids.
black
Because,
people do?
yeah, they just don't know it.
That was a good one. Wow. Give up the mic.
How is he allowed to say that? Where does he get his hood pass, and where can I apply for that? I don't have it.
What do you think? You can't follow that, huh?
No, I'll just say this. When it comes to just leaving the tip, doesn't matter what race you are, no man just leaves the tip. We gotta leave the whole thing.
That was a good one. You recovered, Rob. That was a good one, y'all. So you say tip.
Didn't say that. I don't know. What do I win if I say the right answer? Pick one for me.
It's not about us. It's about Miss Jazzy P. Is what she thinks.
Miss Jazzy P. Okay.
What do you think she's gonna say? Leave a tip, take care of the man's kids, or be alone in the room with a Catholic priest.
And this is what white men do with it black men don't.
Well, yeah.
Even though I'm Jewish, I'm gonna say something about the Catholic priest. Say that.
Catholic priest. Okay.
And what do you think, Miss P?
My answer is they will not be in a room with a Catholic priest.
Oh.
That is very much the right answer.
Okay. Last question this round. What, going over a hood rat house, what's the last thing she would tell you to bring? The last thing she'll tell you to bring.
The last thing.
Condoms, weed, or Newports? What is the last thing a hood rat will tell you to bring over a house?
If you go into a hood house, she gonna for sure tell you bring the weed. She gonna smoke cigarettes too. She ain't gonna mention nothing about the condom.
So who ain't gonna bring the condom? She gonna ask you to know. She ain't gonna say nothing about the condom. Nothing. It's totally dismissed. What's the last thing a hood rat would ask you to bring over a house?
She can ask for any of those things, but I'm just bringing a pack of Black and Milds. Even if she asked for Newports. That's what I got.
Black and Mild, huh? All I got is bubble gum and Newport, and I'm fresh out of bubble gum, so.
I don't care what she asked for. I'm bringing a condom because I don't care what. I'm not getting what she's got. Condoms, man. Condoms. These are the last thing she's gonna ask for. Because she uses all those things. She doesn't use the condom.
We're gonna ask Miss Jazzy P. What's the last thing a hood rat gonna tell you to bring over a house?
The last thing that a rat would ask you to bring is condoms.
Condom! We're going to wrap this round up, and we're going to be right back with the last round. We're going to ask these fellas one more question, and Miss Jazzy P is going to answer it, and we're going to tell you the winner when we come back.
Action.
Well, back to the Ghetto Fabulous show. We're finna do this third round. I may not know how to add, but I think Tax up 5 for the 4. So he's up by 1 point, and the white boys can catch him. The white boys on the black man butt like the police. You just call them police. So we finna get into this question with our judge, with our guest judge, Miss Jazzy P. We finna get into the hood rat, the ratchet, and the thought part of the show. And we're gonna ask y'all a question. Out of a hood rat, a ratchet, and a thought, which one of these is the last one Miss Jazzy P will leave with her man? Out of a hood rat, a ratchet, and a thought, which one she'll never leave with her man?
That's a good one.
Why is she laughing? That's why she laughing.
That is a very, very good one. And Miss Jazzy P, I know I can see the image in your brain right now. You're thinking of moments. Why are you laughing? Exactly, it explains it all. Okay, what do you think, my brother?
That's hard. I say she wouldn't leave a thought. A thought.
Why you say Miss Jazzy P wouldn't leave a thought with her man? What about thoughts?
Because a thought gonna do what a thought do, and they gonna, you know what I'm saying? Hood rat, she more like in the hood, and you know what I'm saying? She might not live in the hood, she might not be around that, but a thought can be anybody, any other homegirls, just sitting in there. You can't be no thought.
But Miss Jazzy P is an older woman, so she don't really hang around. I guess it's older thoughts. It's older thoughts too. Yeah, my bad. Thoughts ain't got no age limit. Thoughts is thoughts. Okay, we're gonna ask you, Miss.
The older dot is called a horny cougar.
A horny cougar. They also got another name, a classic ratchet, a classic, a ratchet, whatever the hell it is.
Class rich.
Oh, class. Well, we're going to get into what do you think? Who was the last person, the last female Miss Jazzy P will leave with her man? A hood rat, a ratchet, or a thought?
Well, it depends a little bit about what you're worried about happening. If you think that your man's gonna sleep with her, then it's the thought. I'm with you on that. But if you're afraid that your man might get stabbed, then I say the ratchet. Because a ratchet's gonna cut you.
What is a thought gonna do?
She's just gonna have sex. She's gonna have sex. Maybe get pregnant. I don't know.
Okay.
Real quick. I know we have limited time. Could you guys explain to me all of African American culture, and then at the end of it, tell me what a thought is? All I know is that a ratchet can get hurt. I twisted my knuckle wicked bad working on my bicycle the other day. One of those ratchets. Because she kept trying to go down on me. Don't touch the ratchets.
Don't touch the ratchets.
But anyway, I'm waiting for that lesson anytime.
I don't even know African American history. The money's so short. You don't teach that at lot. Teach us Crip and Blood history.
They say the thought is the one that is going to do anything to get what you need.
Is that
the ratchet?
my answer? I'm going to change my answer then. I'm going to give it thought.
And we're going to go to Miss Jazzy P.
Who was the last female you'll leave with your man? A hood rat, a ratchet, or a thigh?
Neither one, but it would be a thought.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
You're moving up on the ladder.
You're moving up. Okay, we're going to ask another question. It's a lot of females out in high school having sex right now. So my son is having sex in high school, and he's having sex with somebody's daughter. So I'm going to ask this question. Out of a hood rat, a ratchet, and a thought, which one is having sex in high school because she get it from her mama? Out of a hood rat, a ratchet, and a thought, according to Miss
The daughter is having sex, and they got it from their mother.
All right, it depends on if they go to school in the hood. If you go to school in the hood, then you got a hood rat ass mama. You watching what she doing in the hood, you go to school doing the same thing. So I'm gonna say the hood rat.
I don't think any of those girls are waiting till high school to have sex.
That far.
Seems kind of a long time. Would have started that in junior high. If I know my statistics, and I am wearing glasses. I think I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you are.
So your answer is?
I'll go with hood rat.
I know me and the way my biology and puberty worked, and I couldn't even have sex, like have it, until I was like out of college.
Damn.
Am I the only one? Huh? Hood rat. Ugh.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got to clear that one up. You act like I just didn't hear that. So you can have sex till after college?
Man, just because I was slow developing doesn't mean I'm quick at ending, motherfucker.
Whoa, it's a clean show. It's a clean show, baby. Bill Cosby probably watching this show or Sinbad or something. You know, we want to get them viewing this show. Or Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. You know, he rap with no cuss words. Maybe Will Smith is going to watch this show, so we're going to have a clean set, Oprah or something, you know. So we're going to...
Jesse Jackson watching this show.
We're going to get into the next question then. Did she answer? She already know. We got to give her the answer. Give us the answer.
This is Jesse.
What was the question?
Wow. The question was, out of a hood rat, a ratchet, and a dot, which one of these females' daughters having sex in high school because she got it from her mama?
From her mama. She get it from her mama.
She get it from her mama.
I would say all of them.
No, you can't say all of it. You got to give us a clear-cut winner.
The rat.
The rat. Ooh.
And she said it's rats because
They be doing the most. Them rats are something devastating.
Well, that concludes the Ghetto Fabulous Game Show, and we're going to introduce you to our winner of the Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. We finally got a brother to win, because we were getting white boys to win all the game shows. Listen to Tax Free, the winner of the Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. Tell us something about yourself, Tax.
I want to know what I win now.
We're going to give you something to win. This is the Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. This is what we're going to do.
Let me see where you win.
No, this is what we're going to do.
We have a very, very special gift for you, and it's called a pocket full of lint.
You get nothing at the Ghetto
Because
Fabulous
it's ghetto
Game
and
Show.
it's broke. But Habibi's not broke.
We're going to do this for
Who
you.
you?
We're going to do this for you. I'm going to let you go on a shopping spree with my EBT card. Hold up the EBT card. We're going to go on a shopping spree with all $13 in my EBT card.
Hey, but I'm not going to keep it to myself. I'm going to share it with my partners, right?
All right.
Wait a minute. I'm not through.
He got multiple.
I also got a pack of hood rats, right? You get a pack of hood rats from the Ghetto Fabulous Show. You know what I'm saying? You can share the hood rats with your friends, because the hood rats share. Get your pack of hood rats. And you also get a tap card to go over the hood rats. So everybody's a winner at the Ghetto Fabulous Game Show. You can't kick your hood rat to the curb. Kick the hood rat to the curb.
You can't take
Wow.
because the hood rat is the one that's going to take care of you.
So that was the end. One question.
Can I get to and from or just there off this?
If you don't make it from 12 o'clock, you can't go nowhere. So that concludes the Ghetto Fabulous Show hosted by Habibi and Black Rosebud. We're going to see y'all next week when we're going to do more jokes, talk about more hood rats, and have more white people on here. See y'all later. Thank you for coming out, Miss Jazzy Pig. Thank you, Miss Jazzy Pig.
Jazzy Pig.
Let your